Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a few quick updates. One is I didn't announce what date the Barbie Day was going to be, or what we were calling it. We're still coming up with ideas, but Dory had a really cute one for the Barbie challenge each month. It's going to be on the 18th of the month, and there'll be ideas presented that you could build your video around. But honestly, Dory and I don't care what you do with your Barbies. It's just a good day to bring them out. It's just a good day to say, you know what, I'm going to film my Barbie. One of the ideas that I believe Dory had to call it is Hi Barbie, which I thought was really cute from the movies. I wanted to remind you of October 30th. I'm looking at the calendar. Will be Wednesday Addams Day. All that is show a Wednesday Addams. I know a lot of you have Wednesday Addams dolls that you'd like to show off. Here's a good day to do it. Who else do I have out? The Holiday Barbie will be coming out on the 18th of December. No, okay, let me rephrase that. Not Mattel's Holiday Barbie, the YouTube Challenge Holiday Barbie. And that is take any Barbie, and it would really be fun to see you take a thrifted Barbie, make her into a Holiday Barbie, much on the same lines as Mattel does theirs. And we're going to show those on the 18th on, Dory and I are going to team up and offer that challenge. I have Pumpkin here because I just wanted to brag, she has over 100 miles riding on my new bike. Her name is Pumpkin, and my orange, what is it, Darren? Bianchi Velucci? Veloci, not Velucci. I have well over 100 miles on it now, and she rides on it. Daisy rides on my other bikes. Watch your mailbox. Darren and I are doing something fun for the holidays. Holidays for us is actually September 25th, his birthday, through March 27th, my birthday, with Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and this year, Easter. I should have said through Easter.
And Pie Day.
And Pie Day.
And May the 4th.
There you go. Yeah, May the 4th. Well, I guess we go through the year. Anyway, we have been sending out, we've already started, to our active subscribers. An active subscriber is someone that comes and watches our videos, leaves a like and a comment. We've been sending out happy mails, so watch your mailboxes. I have more going out today. They're different. They're not the same. They have a little of this and a little of that, and just kind of fun. I didn't want everybody opening the same thing on their channel. Just, you can wait and see what you get. We have another thing lined up that we're going to start in mid-November, so look for that. We're going to call it Holiday Cheer, and I'll tell you more about it later, but what we're really here for is I want to thank everyone who did the Tiny Witches challenge on the, what was the 18th, right? And there were 17 or 18 videos with Tiny Witches, and I cannot thank you enough for joining in. Darren and I are sending this little miniature or petite Blythe out to one person that joined in, and we do something a little different with our customs on the miniature Blythes. We add beads to the back. She has one skeleton, and these itty bitty pull rings that Darren makes. He makes so many things. Shoes, stand, the witch's hat, headbands. It just goes on and on. Our printer has been so busy. But today we're going to spin the wheel and see who wins the witch, and I will try to get her out as quick as I can so that you get her by Halloween, I hope. Joni Stop Motion Creations. Oh, how fun. Joni has a really fun channel. She does stop motion. She has incredible dolls. She sews for them. She has the best accessories and props. You should really visit her channel, give her a subscription, or subscribe. Like her channel and comment on people's videos. Another thing you can do for one another, I just want to put this out there. When you go watch someone's video and you're reading through the comments, like those comments. That helps people get into the algorithm a little more. If there's more, YouTube calls it interaction. The more interaction on a video, the higher it's rated. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.